Let's solve the following. This, and this. So let's start with number 1. Given that log x base 3 plus log 3 base x equals to 2. What you need to do here is to apply change of base. So let's change everything to base 3. You have it at log x. This is already in base 3. So we leave it that way. Plus log 3 base 3 divided by log 3. Take it to this side. Log x base 3 plus log 3 base 3. I'm applying change of base here. Then log x base 3 equals to 2. So you have it as log x base 3 plus 1 here divided by log x base 3 equals to 2. If I say let log x base 3 equals to p, I will have it as p plus 1 over p equals to 2. Using LCM, I will obtain, multiply, the LCM here is p. Multiplying through by LCM, have it as p squared plus 1 equals to 2p. So p squared minus, taking to this side, minus 2p plus 1 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Can factorize this time this. If I replace here with p squared minus p will give you minus 2p, and if you multiply you have positive p squared, so plus 1. Then we are almost done. We factorize, taking this to this side, we have p squared minus p plus 1 equals to 0. So p into p minus 1. What is common is minus 1. This will be p minus 1 as well, 0. So the bracket is p minus 1. Let's check again. What is common is minus 1 divided by this group. So p minus 1 is 0. Now we have that p, the same root, 0. So p equals to 1. Now we said let log x base 3 equals to p. So log x base 3 equals to p, which is 1. That means our x equals to 3. So 3 is the answer here. And if you replace 3 here, you replace 3 here, you have 3 base 3 is 1. Then 3 base 3 is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And this is the answer for that one. You can like and share. Follow and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.